Hello friends, today we are going to continue the map work of chapter number 11 and 13, that is 11 chapter water resources and chapter number 13 about the industries. Friends, as you all are aware that when we are talking about the map work, we have discussed in our previous lecture that how it is important in map work to clearly identify the location that is asked in your examination. Friends, in the previous lecture we discussed about how in some locations we can see the direction. Here it is said that when we are talking about identifying the location, there are some places where we can show the spot identification. You don't have to cover the whole state. You have to just identify a particular spot in a state to locate that location. Now, when we are discussing about the map, as you know, we have such kind of outline map of India that is given in our examination. Friends, today we are going to discuss about the map work of chapter number 11 water resources, in which we will discuss about the question that can be asked from this chapter is about multipurpose projects, that which multipurpose projects is located in which particular area, which states are beneficiary states for that particular multipurpose projects. Friends, here I will teach you a specific symbol today for the multipurpose project as well, that how this multipurpose project can be clearly identified during your examination. Friends, as you know, such kind of outline map of India is given in examination. So it is very important for us to understand and to assume particular state. Friends, when we are talking about the multipurpose project, let us see about the multipurpose project. Here, if you see, this is the map of particular multipurpose project, where you can clearly see over here at the top here you can see Bhakra Nangal project is given, right? Here you can see the particular symbol like a river that is flown, and above that you can see such kind of bridge is made. Such type of multipurpose project is made on a particular river. This is a particular symbol. You can clearly see here in the rest of the multipurpose project. You can see here the rest of the multipurpose project. Here only one multipurpose project is situated on each river. But when we talk about the Bhakra Nangal project, here you can see the two projects are shown on a particular river. One is Bhakra multipurpose project and second is Nangal multipurpose project, and that is why here the two multipurpose projects are shown. Friends, that is why here when Bhakra Nangal multipurpose projects both are asked together, you can show that in this manner. Friends, so when only Bhakra multipurpose project is asked or Nangal multipurpose project is asked, you can show a river and just one project on it, and in this manner you can show the multipurpose project. Here friends, you can see lots of such multipurpose projects with their beneficiary states. If we talk about in the beginning, you can clearly see over here that in Punjab, here as Bhakra Nangal project is shown, and Bhakranangal project is on river Satluj. The beneficiary states are Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan, which are the beneficiary states of this Bhakranangal multipurpose project. Then we can also see, if we talk over here, here you can see a Kosi multipurpose project on river Kosi. Beneficiary state Bihar is considered as the beneficiary state. Then if you talk about another, about these, here you can see the Damodar Valley multipurpose project. Damodar Valley multipurpose project is seen on river Damodar. Beneficiary states are, you can clearly see, Jharkhand and West Bengal, which is having benefit of this multipurpose project. Friends, now when we talk about this multipurpose project, there are some others multipurpose projects, like you can clearly see over here. Now another multipurpose project, that here you can see Hirakud multipurpose project is in Odisha on river Mahanadi. On river Mahanadi, here Hirakud multipurpose project is given. Same way you can see over here Chambal Valley. Chambal Valley multipurpose project is shown over here on river Chambal. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan are the beneficiary state of this multipurpose project. Then you can also see over here, you can see about the different multipurpose projects, like here you can see Narmada project, that is in Gujarat, Narmada Valley on river Narmada. Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, these all are the beneficiary state of this Narmada multipurpose project. You can see over here, that is Daroi multipurpose project on river Sabarmati. Beneficiary state is Gujarat. So these were some of the multipurpose projects that we can see. Now when we see over here, there are some more multipurpose projects, like over here you can see a Hirakud multipurpose project that we have already seen. Here Nagarjun Sagar multipurpose project is seen on river Krishna, that is in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. That are the beneficiary state of this Nagarjun Sagar. Then friends, here we can see Krishna Raj Sagar multipurpose project over here. Krishna Raj Sagar on river Kaveri, it is located on river Kaveri. Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the beneficiary states of it. Then you can see such kind of multipurpose projects located over here. Then Tungabhadra, here you can see Tungabhadra on river Tungabhadra. Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh are the beneficiary states of this multipurpose project. Then we also discussed about here on this Mahi Kandana multipurpose projects, that is on Mahisagar river. Beneficiary state is Gujarat. Then Ukai, that is over here on Tapi river. Gujarat is the beneficiary states. Then here Grand Anikat on river Kaveri. So friends, these were some of the important multipurpose projects of our country. You can clearly see how these multipurpose projects are important for our country. Friends, after discussing about these multipurpose projects, you have seen that how these one multipurpose project is beneficiary for many states, and that is why these water rivers are utilized for different purposes, and that is why we considered it as a multipurpose project, because a project that is a project to utilize water resource for multiple purposes like irrigation, hydro power generation, water supply for drinking, and industrial purpose, food control, navigation, etc. That is known as multi-purpose project. As we know that India is always blessed with several rivers. Many small and large such kinds of rivers flow in India, and that is why many rivers are there. According to the physiography of India, many rivers merge with other rivers and empty their water into the sea as well. And this has made our transportation also very important. And that is why this multi-purpose project has helped India to solve various problems associated with river valleys. These problems includes like flood control, prevention of soil erosion, water for drinking and irrigation, industries, water provided to settlements, electricity generation, internal water transportation, entertainment, wildlife protections, development of fishery, etc. Such are the problems that are being solved by this multi-purpose project. Hope so friends you have understood about the multi-purpose project and how you can show about this multi-purpose project. Now let me discuss you about chapter number 13 about the industrial location. In chapter number 13 we know we have the information about different industries, right, in which we can clearly understand about the importance of industries. Here in this chapter, when we are talking about the manufacturing industries, we know that in today's times the existence of nations largely depends on industries. It is impossible for a nation to achieve economic development without developing its industries, and that is why the country has focused more on their industrial development for achieving high economic growth. Most of the countries, developed countries like USA, Russia, Japan, South Korea, such kind of country are prosperous and developed due to their high industrial development only, friends. So friends, here we can clearly see about their growth. Here when we talk about this development, we can clearly understand. Now in the examination you can be asked about several industrial location. Here if you are asked about, for example, if you are asked about different locations given over here in your examination, like in first you can see over here, these are some of the industries that are jute industries is shown over here, where the symbol of plus is given. That are the jute industries which is located over here. We can say over here we have the plus sign, right, that is in Hooghly, Howrah. That are the places where jute industry. In West Bengal we have already studied when we were studying the chapter. Here where the circle symbol are given, where the dots are given, these are some of the cotton textile industries. As it is shown, it is the cotton textile industries where the circles are shown. You can see it from the time in here in Murdabad, then you can see in Agra over here, then you can also see over here at Gwalior, then you can see lots of such over here at Wardha, then Jalgaon, Aurangabad, right, over here in Mumbai, lots of such places are there. Here Coimbatore, Madurai, these are the places where we can see cotton cloth industry are clearly we can find it. Then when we see the triangle shape over here, that is for woolen cloth industry, where we can see woolen cloth industry, like here the triangle shapes are given. These are for woolen cloth industry. Here for the particular location you can show particular symbol. You can show either star or circle or dot or any such kind of symbols can be used to locate these kind of industries. It is more preferable to write the name of the location by drawing an arrow like this, and you can write over here like woolen industry, woolen industry. You can light in such manner by drawing an arrow so that the examiner can easily identify it. Friends, along with it, you can see lots of such woolen industries are shown from the above over here in Baramulla. Then you can see over here in Ludhiana. Then in Rajasthan you can see over here at Bikaner, Jaipur. These all are triangle shapes are given. In Gujarat you can see at Ahmedabad, Jamnagar is given, right? Over lots of places are given over here at Varanasi, in Mirzapur you can see such type of are the places. Mumbai, these are the places where we can see woolen cloth industries. Friends, then if we talk about silk cloth industry, here you can see the silk cloth industry is given, where here you can see the rectangular circle. You can see such kind of circles are also given here at Murshidabad is the location. Here you can see at Kolar, Bengaluru. These are the places where we can find the silk cloth industry. Then you can see another, that is synthetic cloth industry, where the star sign is given. You can see over here at Mumbai. You can see in Mumbai. Then you can see over here at Howrah. Such kind of, then Chennai, here also. You can see synthetic cloth industries are located at such places over here at Ahmedabad. So these are the locations where synthetic cloth industries are found. Friends, here you can clearly see about the iron and steel industry. On the next page map, you can see the iron and steel industry, where lots of such industries are clearly seen. Here you can see the industry at Hazira. Then here Jindal Vijayanagar steel industry, Bhadravati steel industry. Then here Salim steel industry. Here Visakhapatnam iron and steel industry, Billai is given. Then you can see over here, then Raukela is given, Jamshedpur iron and steel industry. Then Bakora, Durgapur, Banpur, this all location is given. These are the iron and steel industry. Friends, so these iron and steel industries can be asked. If you will be asked that about the first iron and steel industry, you can show at Tamil Nadu, Porto Nova. Over here, you can show any particular location by drawing any particular symbol, and then you can, after showing that particular symbol, you can identify that particular location. So friends, hope so you might have understood about the industry. Such kind of lots of such industry, other industries can be asked, like cotton, jute, silk, woolen, synthetic, sugar, paper, iron and steel. If woolen cloth is asked, you can show over here in Punjab also, where the woolen clothes can be asked. Here, friends, when we talk about the woolen clothes industry, you can show over here in, this is the place in Punjab where you can see the woolen cloth industry. Friends, synthetic cloth we have already seen. If you are asked sugar, you can show over here near Jharkhand also. Sugar industries we can find. Lots of such places are found. Paper industry, you can show in Maharashtra, paper industries. Then aluminum refining, aluminum refining, you can show over here at Odisha. Aluminum refining, copper refining also, that is copper refining. Such kind of copper refining industry is also found in Garhsila. Over here you can say in Garhsila you can show. Then chemical industries are also found, chemical industry. And for chemical industries, friend, you can also show the different locations for chemical industries. You can show in Gujarat as well, we have chemical industry. Then fertilizers, you can again show, we have that in Gujarat as well, fertilizers industry. plastic industries also you can show in Delhi. Over here in the center you can show at Delhi. Then lots of such location. Cement, for cement you can show in Gujarat, right? Lots of such other industries like railway engine industry, road vehicle industries, iron and steel industry that are found in Jamshedpur. We can found it at Jamshedpur Chittaranjan locomotives. Then if we found for electronic goods, railway coach, you can mark at Bengaluru over here. That is the location of where the electronic goods are made, electronic goods industries are found. So friends, these were some of the places. You can show any particular symbol. For example, if you have shown a star for woolen cloth industry, then you can make a arrow and write it down about woolen industry so that it can be identified easily. With these friends, hope so you have understood about the map work of chapter number 11 and 13. Thank you friends.